you the haul. This is just something I purchased because I did want to, have something to stay moisturized with. And I purchased so many. I went back for a second order. Oh, let me tell y'all, the pistachio. There's some of these I'm keeping for myself. She has this pistachio and this vanilla pumpkin one. I kept them. So I'm keeping this one, the pistachio, and the warm vanilla pumpkin one. I ordered a pistachio with this warm vanilla and the oat and milk. I think this will be great for a guy because it's not too much. It's like oatmeal milk and honey. So I plan on giving it away to like one of my family members. Baby powder, that's something for both men and women. But this pumpkin pecan waffles, great for a woman. Cocoa butter cashmere, this is for anybody. Brown sugar, come on now. Let me tell you, you put this on, you might get ate up. Man or woman, you might get ate up, okay? Watch out. There's her card, and she ships really fast, and yeah, like definitely check her out, y'all, okay? And here's this big package that I got. It looks like a lot. I think it's like just a big item. So before I get started with this Temu haul, I did purchase a few things from AliExpress. There's one large item that I purchased. Here, and I'll show you guys. Let me take it off the thing. I purchased this thing. I replaced my other thing because I had purchased like some more acrylic powders, which you guys have seen. But I put this together. It came with 3 of the triangle racks, and it came with 3 shelves. So this is a shelf, additional shelf. This is an additional shelf, and this is an additional shelf. Here, let me move my light so you guys can see. You see that? And it has all my little acrylics. Some of them that are stacked are very similar. So, like, say if I ever wanted to do a giveaway, if I have some that are similar, I can give those away. Or if I'm putting together nail kits, sometimes I put together nail kits so my teacher at the nail school can sell them. This is something I bought and I put together, and I could not wait until Christmas. I went ahead and put it together, and these plugs caused a problem, and I think there's like a stud, but I figured it out. And they came with the screws and the wall, the little plastic pieces that the screws go into to help keep it stable. It came with all of that, and it came so quickly from AliExpress. So I got that from AliExpress, and then let me show you what else I got from AliExpress, which is not a problem. So it's like extra packaging. Here's the 12 that I bought. She's small. And I always treat my brushes, like I take the starch off the brush. Is this the 14? Yeah, so here's the 12 and the 14. And it already comes a little crimped, but it's still oval, like, hold on, there you go. So here, I'll put it in order from top to bottom. You can see the 12 and then the 14. And then I put, just like with hair in general, you moisturize the hair, okay? So I did put cuticle oil on it because that's what I was taught when I would buy my brushes from the nail store, the local nail store, that also has like nail technicians working for them. And they have their nails done so pretty. They do their own nails. So yeah, I learned from them to moisturize my brushes with cuticle oil. That's a little tip, a little nail hack for you guys. And I already had this one, and look at it. This is a 16, and I really like the black and white. As you can tell, I like black and white marble, so I went ahead and got another one. Okay, and also my 4th item that I got from AliExpress are these. These are so pretty to me. They're rhinestones. They don't say what type. I don't really care. The colors are so pretty. I just got them for the color. And it's like pastels. It's so freaking pretty. The blue, the purple, pink, yellows, lime green. Very pretty, y'all. Now let's get into this. I got a Temu bag.
The water that helped to contain the fire. And a scuba diver named Delmer Darren, employee of the Nugget Hotel and Casino.
Y'all, look what I got.
Lifted Delmer Darren out of the water.
And it folds up like this, comes out like this,
tortured life
and it can get higher.
Uh-oh.
This came out with it.
For the American Association of Forensic Science by Dr. John Harper, president. 17-year-old.
It comes with instructions.
Arguments 12 3 stories below. The neighbors heard, as they usually did, the arguing of the tenants, and it is not uncommon for them to threaten each other with a shotgun to pass. Added to this, the two tenants turned out to be Faye and Arthur Barringer, Sidney's mother and Sidney's father. When confronted with the charge, which took some figuring out for the officers on the scene of the crime, Faye Barringer swore that she did not know the gun was loaded. She always said, "Load the gun." A young boy who lived in the building, sometimes a visitor and friend to Sidney Barringer, said that he had seen 6 days prior the loading of the shotgun.
Oh, I'm like, what is it?
It seems that all the arguing.
I guess you're supposed to put this in here.
His mother and father's tenants
Maybe.
fight. He decided to do so. Sidney Barringer jumps from the 9th floor rooftop. His parents argue 3 stories below. Barringer noted as an accomplice in his own death. And it is in the humble opinion of this narrator that this is not just something that happened. This cannot be one of those. Don't be late to work. This is my job.
I'll plug it in, and then we're going to turn it on.
Because I want to do well. In this life and in this world, I want to do well.
There we
I
go.
can help someone. And if we can do that,
Trying to up my game.
well,
And it increased. So you can switch the lighting, and then you can hit. And it gets brighter, or it gets lower. Man, so many ways to say it. Life rabbit. Thanks for that. Multifunctioning lamp from Temu. I wish they had pink, but they had black. It is what it is.
about 45 minutes ago, but he's probably getting all pumped up right now.
Pink, black, white.
You're
There you go.
going to stick with me, and you're going to stick with
We
the
got
camera.
those, and we got this awesome lamp. What?
Yeah, it has to be tough.
Next.
We're all set upstairs.
They normally come in about this size, but you can see they're like
She asked me for advice
size.
about a guy.
Not happy with those. Don't buy these. And guess what? I bought 2 to try to stock up, y'all.
What I say is, Denise, the piece, I mark it down.
And look,
We like to celebrate
Plus it's
big.
50.
That's my big fat. I said no to myself, and one, I say I do not want to take it anymore. I said, oh, think again. Fucking Denise, the piece. You're gonna give me that tray of pie, sweet mama baby. Oh yeah, listen up. I was not to say that we don't all need females just as friends, because we're going to learn later in chapter 23 that having a couple of chick friends lying around coming real handy instead of jealous and stuff. We'll get to that later. Right now, what I want you guys to do is I want you to pull out your blue booklet, page 18. And we're going to be going through this quickly. Don't worry about it. We're going to workshop it later. 18, blue booklet. Form a tragedy. Now, this is simple and clean. And if done correctly, can be very, very effective in getting some push. Here we go. Now, you call your so-called friend. You set a date. Let's say make it around 7:30. You call her on the phone.
they're great for like flowers. This type of brush. Do not pull it out, like pull out the starch. Leave it in this shape. Great for nail flowers. Came in this tube that is a little bent up, but whatever.
Hello? Hi, is Claudia here? She's sleeping. You working? You're Jimmy Gator, right? What's your name? I'm Ray. So are you her boyfriend? No, I'm just a friend. What are you doing here? I mean, you know Claudia? Okay.
I got these from I make this nail kit, and I don't want to give away my nail kit, so I got this because this is great for a beginner.
Life ready. Well, I'm happy. That's
This will do.
$3.65 by Whole Foods Market.
I got this. So I have some files, some file paper, and this was like a good deal, so I just went ahead and got it. Because eventually I'm gonna start using these. Got me a bit. This is like one of my favorite bits.
Virgin Islands.
Other than the like this is great for debulking and shit. What is it? It's medium.
Hey, Claudia.
What do you want? Why are you here?
I'd like to talk to you. Your boyfriend let me in. I just.
That's not my boyfriend.
I'm dying. Yes, I have cancer, Claudia. I have cancer.
And I'm dying very soon. It's metastasis. I told you I'm going to lose.
Look how pretty this one. Oh. Okay. The lighting is on. It's so nice. I like this lighting. I'm gonna put this in my sticker book. Ooh. I got some. These are nice. These reusable bags.
Just one sec. Please, don't, Donnie, don't do this. This is so... Get strong, Donnie. This is making sense. This is making a lot of sense. You are not doing the job I asked you to do. A job I give you. Over and over and over. I'm sorry. But I'm not gonna say I'm sorry much more. I don't have any money, Solomon. If you fire me, I pay you. I give you a paycheck. Your sales suck, Don. I a fucking billboard. I put you in my store, my salesman, my fucking representation of Solomon Electronics, the quiz kid, Donnie Smith on the game show.
These are so
I
cute.
you, my celebrity.
I use
my
Game
name
Cheat.
is Solid. Fuck you. Fuck
I
you.
got you.
I paid you.
I got you.
I paid you.
Temu.
Solomon, please, please. I am so fucked here if you do this. This is the worst timing. The worst timing I could ever imagine. I need to keep working. I have so many debts, so many things. I have my surgery. My oral surgery coming.
What surgery?
Oral surgery.
She is real legend.
Three wedding rings.
Three wedding rings.
Guys coming in and out around.
Okay, you don't just sign up to be a police officer. It's about 3 years of training, okay?
Okay, oh, let me go. You wanna buy some candy?
No, sorry, little man.
You wanna take my statement off the phone for you? Gotta get paid, so gotta get paid. I'm a rapper.
Oh, you're a rapper.
I was like, this felt so weird, y'all. I got white gloves.
Hey, watch the mouth. Watch it.
Come on, man.
100-piece small.
Let's go. Get my wrist and my rubber too in me though. Think fast, hit me up to the throw what I know with the resonance. But you double ass, get in the wind and stuff off of the back of the shelf. Jackass, crackers, body stackers, big two niggas, that's the pain your
Hold it, homeboy. I don't need to hear that word.
Living to get older with a chip. Fucking with you.
Hey, watch the mouth. Watch it.
This was such a deal. Which item is y'all favorite? Is it this one? The gamer charm?
Present. With a double ass really just out the stove. With my wrist and my rubber too in me though. Think
The
fast,
shiesty
hit me up to the
nail
throw what I
wipes.
know with the resonance. But you double ass, get in the wind and stuff off of the fuck up. Try to listen and learn.
Oh, cut it, Julio.
I don't really know what he said either.
Remember that, man.
These are so
Real
cute.
helpful, I.C.
I don't want these so long. I will open these, but
Be cool.
nah.
In school, okay?
I'm just going to put them in the nail kit. They're like the old school natural French nails that you should be learning with. And if they want more, they can buy themselves some more. You buy yourself whatever you want to buy. But the teachers are gonna have, want to teach you about the old.
Thank you for watching my small haul. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Kind of
Thanks.